Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then welcome. Today I would like to show you this anemones painting with watercolor. I've made a detailed tutorial about red anemone before and I've put the link into description box or is on the top of the screen right now. You can try to paint it with me and there is also the link with the reference painting and template to use. This bunch of vibrant red anemones I painted with the same technique as my previous anemone tutorial. I like to use the many layers to build the structure and to keep there the intense vibrant hues. The used supplies also for today's video you can find in the description box. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more of these tutorials. And now, enjoy today's video. Thank you for watching and bye! Mwah!